Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, another board standard math is Singer Company Limited manufactures and sells pencil. The company's sales and expenses are given below. Productions or sales volume 25,000 units. Variable cost per unit taka 2.50. Fixed cost taka 40,000 and selling price per unit taka 5. Now requirements. Calculate the break-even point in taka. Requirement B. What is the amount of break-even point in taka will be changed if variable cost is increased by 20%. Requirement C. Compute the amount of net profit and margin of safety. Okay, dear students. Now, solution. At first, requirement A. Break-even point in taka. Formula is fixed cost divided contribution margin ratio. My dear students, fixed cost amount is available in the question, but contribution margin ratio is missing in the question. So just follow here. Contribution margin ratio formula is contribution margin divided sales into 100. So selling price per unit taka 5 minus variable cost per unit taka 2.50 divided selling price per unit taka 5 into 100 is equal to 50%. Okay, dear student. Now fixed cost taka 40,000 divided contribution margin ratio 50%. That is break-even point in taka 80,000 taka. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of requirement A. Dear students, we can answer the requirement A another way, such as at first break-even point in units. Formula is fixed cost divided selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit, that is contribution margin per unit. Okay, dear students. So fixed cost taka 40,000 divided selling price per unit taka 5 minus variable cost per unit taka 2.50. Okay, dear student. So break-even point in units 16,000 units. Now break-even point in taka. Formula is selling price per unit into break-even point in units. So selling price per unit taka 5 into break-even point in units 16,000 units. Okay, dear student. So break-even point in taka 80,000. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B. At first, new variable cost per unit is equal to 2.50 plus 2.50 into 20%. Okay, dear student. That is new variable cost per unit taka 3. Now new break-even point in units taka 40,000 divided selling price per unit taka 5 minus new variable cost per unit taka 3. Okay, dear student. So new break-even point in units is equal to 20,000 units. So new break-even point in taka per unit selling price টাকা 5 into new break even point in units 20,000 units, that is 1 lakh টাকা. So break even point is increased টাকা 1 lakh minus 80,000 টাকা, that is টাকা 20,000. Okay dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. My dear students, now requirement C1, net profit. Formula is sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So per unit selling price টাকা 5 into total productions 25,000 units minus per unit variable cost 2.50 into total productions 25,000 units minus fixed cost 40,000 টাকা. So net profit amount is 22,500 টাকা. Okay dear students, now requirement C2, margin of safety. Formula is sales minus break even point. So টাকা 1,25,000 minus break even point 80,000 টাকা, that is 45,000 টাকা. Okay dear students, this is the solution of requirement C. Now extra solution. Break even point ratio. Formula is break even point divided sales into 100, so 64%. And margin of safety ratio. Formula is margin of safety divided sales into 100, that is 36%. Okay dear student, thank you so much. Next, see you.